You just woke up, heart racing, sweating. That dream felt too real. Why? Why does your brain torture you with falling or showing up naked to work? Science knows less about your dreams than black holes. We map galaxies but ignore the cinema inside our skulls. What if those bizarre scenes aren't random? What if they're urgent messages, coded warnings from your deepest self? Section 1. The Nightly Battlefield. Every night, two armies clash in your mind. Freud saw dreams as repressed desires, a hidden basement of taboo wants. Jung called them a secret council of your soul. Ancient Egyptians believed they were prophecies. But modern neuroscience? It's weirder. During REM sleep, your logical prefrontal cortex shuts down. Your emotional amygdala goes wild. Memory fragments collide like broken glass. Cliffhanger, transition. Yet buried in that chaos is a survival tool our ancestors relied on, and you're about to lose it. Section 2. Dreams as drill sergeants. That recurring nightmare where you're chased? It's not random, it's training. Studies show dream anxiety primes you for real threats. Your brain simulates crises so you react faster awake. Soldiers, surgeons, athletes, they all share secret dream rehearsals. But here's the twist. Dreams don't predict the future. They expose present dangers you're ignoring. That teeth falling out dream, it's not about dentistry, it's powerlessness, a relationship, a job crushing you. Cliffhanger, transition. But the most powerful dreams aren't nightmares, they're silent rebellions. Section 3. The Hidden Revolution. In 1845, inventor Elias Howe was stuck. Then he dreamed of cannibals with spears, with holes near the tip. He woke up screaming and invented the sewing machine. Your dreams solve problems logic can't. Why? When awake, your brain is a strict librarian. At night, it becomes a mad scientist. It connects distant ideas. A fight with your boss plus a childhood toy equals a creative breakthrough. Carl Jung was right. Dreams are telegrams from your unconscious. Ignore them and you mute your intuition. Cliffhanger, transition. So how do you crack the code? The answer isn't a dream dictionary. Section 4. Becoming your own dream detective. Forget generic symbols. Your dream language is unique. Keep a journal immediately after waking. Not just events, feelings, spot patterns, recurring places, characters. That lost train station is your subconscious flagging indecision. Ask before sleep, what do I need to know? Your brain will answer. One patient dreamed of drowning in chocolate. Real meaning? She was suffocating in sweet, toxic comfort. She quit her job, started a business. Final section, the ultimate truth. Dreams aren't entertainment. They're your psyche's immune system. They highlight rot you ignore. Unprocessed grief, buried rage, stifled creativity. Neglect them, and they scream louder. Nightmares, insomnia, brain fog. Tonight, when you close your eyes, don't just sleep. Listen. That surreal script, it's your inner self fighting to be heard. So ask yourself, what is my mind trying to survive? Write it down. Decode one symbol, because the most important conversation of your life isn't with a therapist or a partner. It's with the stranger in your dreams. Your dreams aren't random, they're rebellions. Start a dream journal tonight.